Welcome to this game-changing tutorial. Ever dreamed of crafting a sleek professional website within 15 minutes? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm about to demonstrate you guys how you can create a stunning website that mirrors the one I'm showcasing. Actually, it's quite simple and it requires no coding expertise. Thanks to WordPress, it's all about drag and drop functionality. Stay tuned and I promise by the end of this video, you will be empowered to craft your own impressive website. Let's jump right in. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will dive into one of my all-time favorite topics, how to create your own website. We will break this down in 3 straightforward steps: setup, organization, and design. To embark on this website building journey, you will need a domain name, a reliable web hosting service, and WordPress installed. If you haven't caught my step-by-step tutorial on setting up your website, make sure to check it out. But for now, let's fast forward to the next phase where we will organize your website. We will start by cleaning out the standard plugins, which are akin to the apps on your phone. After we remove the plugins, we will go over to some small things to set up your website for the last phase. And in the last phase, it's time for the exciting part, the magic of design. We will begin by installing essential plugins to optimize and build your website. And if we install all the plugins, it's time to select our theme. And we will select the theme that fits our brand. Then we will configure some basics like a website title and something like colors. And if we have selected everything correct, it's time for some insights. We will create new pages, a blog page, and some menus to show you guys how to set up the basics of your new website. Ready to make the website truly yours? Let's dive right in. So there we are. This is your WordPress dashboard, or in other words, the backend of your website. The first thing I always do when I visit this page for the first time is to bookmark it, so that you can easily navigate to this page. As mentioned, we will organize the website. Navigate to plugins and then remove default plugins by first deactivating them and then permanently removing them. Once we have done this, we will add some plugins. We first start with installing Lightspeed. This plugin makes your website faster, and I will explain all the plugins in the next video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. The second plugin we are going to install is WordFans. This plugin protects your website against spam attacks. The third plugin we are going to install is Yoast SEO. This is an easy tool that ensures that your page scores maximum in the terms of SEO. I will also come back on SEO in the next video. The last plugin for today is Google Sitekit. With this tool, you can easily keep track of how many website visitors you get and how long they stay on your page. So now we go back to the dashboard. Everything you want to modify on your website can be done in this environment. Visitors to the website can only see the front end of the website. And to get there, go to the top left to this icon and click on View Site. As you can see, it still looks very empty, but we will change that quickly by adding a theme. How do we do that? And navigate to Themes. Then click Add New. And for this website, we will use my favorite theme and probably the most used theme of the world, Astra. Click Install and then click on Activate. Once you have clicked Activate, you will end up in the next screen. We will install another plugin, namely Starter Templates. Then activate the template. Normally there will be an intermediate screen where you can select your page builder. But because I already installed it, you will not see it now. Here you can select the page builder, and the page builder is basically a plugin that allows you to easily build your site using the drag and drop system. In this case, we are going to use Elementor. I will tell you more about Elementor in my next upcoming video. So again, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In the next screen, you will see a lot of themes that you can install. These are basically website theme templates that you can easily load into your website. Note that wherever it says premium, you have to pay extra. In this case, let's just choose the first option here. This all looks very clean, so we will leave it as it is. If you have your own logo, you can upload it in this area. In this case, let's just proceed with the tutorial. The next selection you will make is customizing your color palette based on the brand's identity you have, or the one you want as a blogger. Let's go for our brand color, which is blue. Next, we can adjust our font, but I like this font as well. However, let's go with this one. After you have filled in your details, you will see it's preparing the website. And look at this, it's done. Let's take a look at our website. Once the page is loaded, it looks like this. It all looks very nice, but of course we want to edit our own photos and text within the website. To do this, go to the top and click on Edit with Elementor. So if you did everything right, you will see an overview on the left side of your screen. And it's pretty simple. If you want to adjust this title over here, simply click on the text and then you can type your own text. In this case, I will make this welcome to, and the other one I will make Webcraft Insights. Then, of course, for the text you see down Webcraft Insights, we will make a slogan, the same one we also used in the YouTube title. In this case, that will be something like, let's see, your blueprint to web mastery. And from this button, I will make something like subscribe now. By the way, you can also enter your link inside of this. For now, it's just for an example, but normally you can paste a link that refers to the website you want traffic to. We also want another background. So for now, press on these 6 little dots, and here you can select a style or some advanced settings. But for now, go over to style and select a picture you like. In this case, I'll already implement some pictures. I normally use pixels for that, and just select them. And in this case, I think because the text is white, we will make the background of the picture darker. So go to background overlay and just make this background a little more darker. So I like this. So now we go over to the next section. I will just go really fast in this case because it's all the same job. Like, use this drag and drop method. Use different kind of pictures, different kind of text. Maybe you want the text left or right, whatever, but just make it in your own style. By the way, the website doesn't save automatically, so make sure you click on update at the bottom every time you have made a change. If you want to view your web page, click on the eye icon next to the update button. Let's check out our website. And voila, you can see that the changes have been made. You have now seen how to customize the homepage for your website. In addition, you can also create motion effects on each section of the website. So just for an example, we will show one section to let you guys see what you can do with this. So for now, go to the section and select, and go to advanced settings. Then select motion effects. And in this case, I like a fade in up. So select fade in up. And as you can see, the motion will start immediately. To check out how the emotion actually looks, go check out your website again, and voila, this is the result. I think it looks really nice. Let's move on to the next important step, which is customizing your header. You can change your header with the page builder Elementor. So you have to click on customize from a page you want to edit. When you're in your header environment, you will see some blue icons. And if you click on a blue icon, you can edit what you select. If you want to add your own logo, for example, click on the icon and adjust your personal logo. In this case, we just use the WordPress logo. After that, you can select how you want your header done. In this case, I remove the button because I don't need it anymore, and then I will place the primary menu in the middle. But I don't like it, so I will place it back to the right side. After that's done, don't forget to press on publish. Now that you know how to customize your homepage and header, it's time for the next important step: creating a new page. This is very easy. Go back to your dashboard and click on Pages. Then, after you did this, click on New Page. Fill in the title of your page in this environment and then click on Edit with Elementor. You can now adjust your page in two different ways. We can do this manually or with a template. If you want to do this manually, you can easily drag and drop your elements onto your page. For example, you can add a title or an image. In this case, we're using a template. A template is a ready-made template that you can still customize yourself. This is the same method we use for your website, but in this case we only have a template for this particular page. Click on Starter Templates and then select Blocks. Here you will see some templates for individual pages, like the About Us page. Now filter on About, because we're also going to adjust the About Us page. Then click on a block that you like and click on Import. When you've added a few pages like this, in my case only an About Us page, it's time for the very last step, creating a navigation menu. This is the menu what you can see over here. This is very easy. First we go back to the dashboard and then navigate to Appearance. After that we will navigate to Menus. As you can see right now, there is already a menu created, and this is done by the standard page. So to edit this, we go back to the pages and remove the pages we don't want to see anymore. So in this case, we will select the About page, the Contact page, and the Service page. After you have deleted these pages, it's time to go back to Appearance and then navigate to Menus. You immediately notice that every page we have deleted is mentioned in red. Now what we can do is just delete the complete menu by pressing on the left corner on Delete Menu. And if you have done that, it's time to create a new menu. In this case, we need to create a new primary menu, and it's also important to give this menu a name. In this case, we will just call it Main Menu. Then create menu, and after that we will add the different pages to the menu. In this case, we only have a home page and an About Us page. Then save menu, and once we go back to the website, click on the left corner and then press View Website. As you can see, the changes have been made correctly and your main menu has been uploaded. And that's it. That's how you build easily a professional looking website. Obviously, I'm only showing the basics today, but if you want to learn more about web design or how to make money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao.